Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today I'm very excited to show you a 2022 Nautique G25 that just came in on trade. Absolutely beautiful boat here with the metal flake reef blue. It is paired to the trailer shown as well. 141 freshwater hours, and this is a one-owner boat. We have the telescope and flight control tower, so you push a button and that electrically actuates down. Great for storage and going underneath bridges. We've got our Nautique surf system, underwater lights, steer assist. This boat is absolutely loaded up. It also has the PCM ZZ8 600 horsepower engine, so lots of power when you're out there on the water with your friends and family. Seating on either side, non-skid, great entryway points into the boat without stepping on the upholstery. Look at how much space is on this boat for 25 feet. Nice U-shaped seating. Tons of cup holders, lighting package, storage. You have our strapless board racks, and this is rated for 19 passengers, so lots of room to move about. Recessed glove box over here, and ergonomically really sound when you're filled up with ballast or you have a lot of passengers. You have great visibility when you're out there on the water. Race car inspired seat here with our hotkeys, link panorama screen, all your engine vitals, ballast control, navigation, everything's very accessible here at the helm. So we'll take a look at the bow. This does have the bow filler cushion. Nice white seating on either side. Cup holders and speakers. Again, this is a 2022 Nautique G25. It's located here at our store in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, please stop on by and give us a call. Thanks.